Welcome to another episode here in the channel Argyris Trader. We are here to provide you with all the information regarding the market, what we see right now in the charts, and of course what is going to be the next step maybe for BTC, Ethereum, and of course for the rest of the crypto. We are here to provide you with all of this information. Before we start, like, subscribe, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get this very nice fresh content for you here, guys. In this channel we are here to provide you with all of this information. I'm really glad that you are watching this video because we are gonna go through very important information. And before we start, I just want to announce you that is running one of the biggest competitions right now that you can find on trading, with $1,000 that they are going to be given to the guy that is going to do the biggest trading volume through BitUnix from the link below. So this is the first winner, and the second winner is going to win 200 USD. So 200 USD are going to go to the second guy who's going to make this kind of volume, like of course the second biggest volume. Now let's go directly to the charts to see what is happening right there, and we can explain the whole thing behind. What we see is that Ethereum has almost reached the downside area that we have been announcing many times, and is the 1,368, 1,277. And right now what we are watching is that we see some kind of bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart that they could easily give another pump to the 1,750. So this is the previous area, and this shouldn't be turning as a resistance area, because then we are gonna have another drop towards the downside. So this is the thing that you should notice as well. But I believe that Ethereum is coming, even if we are gonna reach this kind of area right here. I have been accumulating today because first of all, we see that we are about to get a green dot, a very nice green dot down here on the momentum waves. So that's a very big deal as well. Plus the fact that the Fiat Grid Index went all the way down to 18. And you have to notice, guys, that the most of the retailers right now, they are not even inside the game. They are not pushing any buttons right now, okay? So because the market nuked everyone out, okay? So you have to be cautious. You have to actually start checking what is happening here in BitUnix. You have to go and check the competition below. You can go get subscribed. You can see here I actually got the shorts yesterday night on the BTC. Very nice trades, actually a long here, sold here, sell here, buy here. This means long and short. I have been actually trading with my volume as well, and I made some significant amounts of money yesterday night. So it was actually very nice, because actually I slept over this trade. I just put the stop loss and the take profit. Just an easy job, made very nicely done. I pointed to this line here, but because I was very tired, I just couldn't continue further, so I took profits earlier. I could easily have gotten this very nice bottom right here, but I haven't, okay? So this is the one thing that didn't take yesterday night. However, we are back in here. The gold is reversing. We have a very nice resistance area right here. I believe that if this is going to break out, then it has to fill up all of this kind of distance, because the things are bullish for the gold, okay? Everything that is happening regarding the tariffs and stuff, gold is going to reverse. Most likely it's going to reach further price action. What's the upper side? The only thing that is going to push gold down is the first leg of a kind of recession that is coming. The markets, because we have seen like Nasdaq and all of this dropping, that's why we have seen the first drop as well right here for the gold as well. So this is pretty fine, because the gold is going to reverse afterwards, and most likely it's going to see further price actions. What's the upper side? However, it's very risky, especially if you are trading with 500 leverage and stuff, different brokers. You can also find the best broker I'm using right now, FP Markets. You can find down here. So you can get like registered, and of course with very low fees and stuff, you can also trade gold with 500 leverage. Those opportunities are crazy, and I like it. Now, what we should see regarding the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin is in a position, I would say that yes, we could see a further breakdown, but we have seen this very nice bullish divergence coming in on the daily chart for once more double bottom formation is looking very bullish, guys. That's the truth. So if we're going to be losing this kind of levels and we are dropping even further, the last level that I'm watching down here is 72,000. Next level is going to be much lower. I believe that we are going to reach like even the 67,000 if this is going to drop, but I don't believe that this is going to drop right now. I think more news will come into the market when everything will start coming to the point where Trump is going to start dealing with a different several countries separate regarding to what they will do with tariffs. Okay, so they have to negotiate, they have to see what is going to happen, and I believe that we will take it from there. I believe that everything that is going to happen from there, and I believe that they will find pretty soft landing regarding to this recession. He has been also announcing like the past 2 years that if I'm gonna come out, you will have a global depression with Biden, but with me you are gonna be saved with a very nice calm recession most likely. So I believe that this is happening. I'm not a fanatic regarding Trump and stuff. I believe that he is very good entrepreneur, however is good. I believe that in 2 years many Americans will build a statue for him. Okay, so I believe that things will go to the right direction after a while, and he's handling good. For me right now, what I think he's handling very good the American economy. Okay, so what is going to happen further, then I think is great. Okay, so we have seen here landing over this very nice red area on the Bitcoin price. So we could see further price action towards the upper side from here now on. Okay, I believe that this is a very good sign. And also the fact that we have the buy signal on the hash ribbons plus bullish divergence on the daily chart, we could see further price action towards the upper side, and that's my opinion. Okay, so you guys, you have to check that nothing is a financial advice first of all, but you can fix up all of your stop losses and stuff. You can manage everything very, very, very nice. Things are very bullish, and people, when they come to this fear, what we see in the markets is that people are very scared, very afraid. They believe that the bottom is much lower, and this is the blessing for me. Okay, that's why I'm accumulating. I accumulate more Ethereum. At 1,800. I don't mind if we're gonna drop even to 1,250. What I see right now is that is a very nice opportunity. I'm a trader. I'm not the oracle. I'm not the prophet, anything like that. I'm just someone that wants to get a very nice piece of the pie. I'm not trying to find the actual bottom. I can't. Okay, I'm not the algorithm of the market, and I cannot manage all of these things. However, I believe that things are looking great regarding the crypto space right now. I think it's a very nice bottom. Many multimillionaires will become from now on. No matter if we're gonna see a price towards the upper side and then a dead cat bounce, it's fine for me, because I'm gonna actually take a lot of profits even in the 30, 40, 50% towards the upper side. So that's crazy for me. I like it, and I'm gonna stay humble. I'm gonna take my profits like I do all the time when everyone is screaming and everyone is saying we are in crazy euphoria, everything is gonna go to the moon. I don't mind. I'm taking my profits. Okay, that's my job. I'm a trader. So I'm very, very bullish when people are crying and there are blood on the streets, and I'm bearish when people are in euphoria. So this is the thing. Okay, don't forget that everyone that is gonna subscribe from the link in OKX down, from the link under below, and do a trade of $100, I'm gonna send directly to them after they come in contact with me 40 USDC. Have a great continue. See you in the next one. Over here, trader. Bye bye.